Hey, this is Teddy, your Google Workspace and Gmail strategist, trainer, and coach. I'm going to answer this question. How do I delete multiple shared files that are shared with me in my drive? But before I answer that question and show you the little trick, hit that subscribe button. I got a lot more videos coming on how to use Google Workspace and Gmail, and I create them just for you. So you can go right here and see share with me. There's two files right here. This is my test account. I only have two shared files. This file right here was shared by a dude by the name Muhammad, and this file right here was shared with me by a guy by the name of Islam. So if I don't want those files anymore, it's really easy for me to remove them. I can't delete them because they don't belong to me, but I can remove them from my shared folder, from my drive. So if I want to get rid of these files, then all I need to do is click on the first one and hold the control key and click on the next one. And I can hold the control key or the command key and keep clicking on files and click on all the individual files I want to get rid of. Now, if I want to get rid of a long list of files, let me go to give you an example. If I want to get a long list of files, click on the first one, hold the shift key and click on the last one. And that selects all of them between where you clicked and where you next clicked. And if the list is longer, I can keep holding the shift key down and clicking on other files. But again, if I want to just go through individuals, click on the first one, hold the command or the control key down, click on the next one, and I select them. Now, once I have them all selected, which is very easy to do, then I can hit this button right over here, which is a trash can, but it is remove. It is not delete. Again, I don't own the files. I can't delete them. So when I click remove, they go out of my shared folders there. Now I have a few seconds down here to undo if I want to, but if I wait too long, poof, that's gone and I can't undo it. Let's see if I do a Control Z. Action cannot be undone. So that's really that easy. Command, click, 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 or shift, click, click, and then hit the remove trash button icon over here. Hey, I'm Teddy Burris, your Google Workspace and Gmail strategist, trainer, and coach. Practice these and you'll get really good at them, and I hope it's helpful for you.